At ClwydAlyn, your safety at home is our priority. That's why we're letting you know about the impact of radon and what we are doing to keep you safe. Radon is a natural gas that comes from the ground, and while you can't see it or smell it, long-term exposure at high levels can increase the risk of health problems. That's why we're carrying out radon testing in our properties, and we'll continue to do this year on year until all required homes are tested. If your home hasn't been tested yet, don't worry, as we're prioritising our testing programmes based on risk level, so it's likely that the area you live in produces lower levels of radon gas, and you are therefore at lower risk of exposure. The testing is simple. Our specialist contractor will attend and install a couple of small monitors in your home. This takes less than 5 minutes. These monitors will need to stay in place for 3 months to ensure we get accurate readings. Once we've collected the monitors, we'll send them off to a lab for analysis. If the results come back to show high levels of radon gas, we can easily fix this by increasing the ventilation to your property. It's quick and simple. So when we are in touch to arrange this important test, please work with us so we can carry out this for you. Together, let's keep your home safe now and in the future.